Nevada Virtual Academy, we're back. Proficiency exam problem number 30. Two bags containing 88 and 112 jelly beans were combined. The percent of watermelon jelly beans in each bag was the 25% and 50% respectively. Anthony selects one jelly bean. What is the probability he selected the watermelon jelly bean? Okay. So what is the probability that our Anthony here, Tony if you want, will stick his hand in the bag, in the combined bag, right? And when he feels that he's got a jelly bean and he shows it to us, is going to be a watermelon flavored one. How can we solve this problem? Well, first of all, you guys remember to find the probability of getting, let's say jelly bean in this case, you have to use the simplest ratio of expected outcomes, right? The number of jelly beans in the bag divided, hold on, jelly beans, we're talking about watermelon jelly beans, right? The number of watermelon jelly beans divided by the number of total jelly beans in the bag. Good. Well, we know that we have two bags that were put in a big one 88, one 112. So if you combine them, the total number of jelly beans in that big bag is going to be 88 plus 112, which is what? 200, right? So I already know that 200 is the total number of jelly beans, right? But this is not enough to me, okay? I need to know how many watermelon flavored jelly beans I have in the whole bag. And in order for me to find that, I have to go back and reread the problem that says the percent of watermelon jelly beans in each bag was 25% and 50% respectively. And that's very important. Respectively means what? It means that the first bag had 25% jelly beans and the second bag had 50% jelly beans, okay? And by knowing that, I will be able to find the number of watermelon jelly beans in the first bag, right? Well, in the first bag, I've got 25% watermelon jelly beans, right? Which means a quarter of 88. A quarter of 88, you just divide 88 by 4, and that will give you 22 watermelon flavored jelly beans in the first bag. Moving on. In the second bag, we have to find the number of watermelon flavored jelly beans in second bag. In second bag, I have 50% of my all jelly beans being watermelon flavor, right? Which means half of 112, which is 56. What? Watermelon jelly beans. So now, together, when I'm putting all my 88 and 112 jelly beans in the big bag, I will have inside 22 plus 56 watermelon jelly beans. 22 plus 56 is going to be 78. So now Anthony will have a chance to get a watermelon jelly bean out of the big bag given by the ratio of the watermelon jelly beans placed in the bag, 78 for this problem, divided by the total number of jelly beans in that bag. And now this is 78 over 200. And the easiest way for me to find this probability would be to divide this 200 by 2 and divide my 78 by 2. and I'm not going to do anything else, right? Even if the two numbers may be divisible by whatever other number you guys can find, right? 78 divided by 2 is going to be 39. 200 divided by 2 is going to be 100. Well, 39 over 100 is nothing else but 39%. And this is Tony's chance to get a watermelon jelly bean out of that bag. And I think that's a pretty good chance. It's very close to, 50%. You may say, well, I know it's close to 40, but that's a huge chance. If you play the lottery with this kind of chance, you should bet half of your money, okay? Not all of them, because there's still a chance to lose. All right, this is how to solve a similar problem on the proficiency exam. Thank you.